Hi guys, it's Miss Tabby and it's been 15 minutes. We're going to look and see what the Peeps look like now. So we're going to start with the hot water Peep. I don't know if you guys can see on the top of the glass there's foam. I think this guy melted. Let's pull him out and see. So this guy has lost part of his shape at the bottom. He's no longer thick and round. And there's lots of foam on the fork, if you guys can see that. Next up is the vinegar. Not much has really changed. The biggest difference looking in the glass is there is lots of bubbles and foam right here. Let's take him out and take a closer look. Okay, he is very bubbly. I don't know if you guys can see the foam bubbles, but he just lost color and became bubbly. All right, the last guy is the cold water Peep. There's no real big change to the water in the cup. So let's take him out and see what happened. Okay. This guy is now pink at the bottom. First it's purple on the top, he is pink. On the front and the back and on the very bottom, he looks like he is pink, not purple. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the science experiment, and I hope you guys got to talk to your parents, moms and dads and grandmas about what you thought would happen to the Peeps. We miss you and hope to see you soon. Bye.